During the year 2023, I discovered a lot of skincare products, what active ingredients work for the skin, what products match our skin tone, our age. There are just so many factors we consider when we're trying to establish a good skincare routine. Going through all these products and considering all the different problems, concerns that we women have when it comes to skin, there is one main culprit that can affect and ruin our skin if we don't watch out. I'm talking about hyperpigmentation and why I developed my spots, and I don't want you to have to go through that. So this is my New Year's gift for you.
Go anywhere you want to, underneath the pressure.
Welcome everyone to my channel. Happy New Year! It's 2024. My name is Jackie D. If this is your first time, thank you for visiting. I hope you'll stay until the end of this video because I give as much information as I can from my experiences and from things that I learned. My goal is to help build your self-esteem, to help you feel good about yourself, to find your better version. Because you know what? We deserve to live happily, at peace, without any pains, without any grudges, especially against ourselves, because we deserve to love ourselves. So that's what I'm here for. We want to learn from 2023 and the years before that because we don't want our 2024 to see the same problems, especially if we could have prevented these problems, because there's one huge culprit that causes this, and it's, you got it right. Put in the comments below if you're watching this. It's the sun. You know, I grew up in the Philippines. We moved to Canada in 2001. So I was 40. And even 10, 15 years after we moved to Canada, I have not used sunblock. Well, in the Philippines, I never took care of my skin. I'm just happy that I have never been acne prone. Otherwise, I would probably have a lot of acne. So when we moved to Canada, it's colder, the wind is drier. I learned to use moisturizer. But that's it. I was always exposed to the sun and I never wore hats. So last year, I noticed that I was having very strong hyperpigmentation on my face. And that was when I started to panic, when my sister told me that's because of the sun. You have to wear sunblock. And that's how I started using sunblock. So that was only in July of 2023. And I'm 62. So 6 decades of not using sunscreen. And initially I used Neutrogena SPF 50 until I realized that was causing me to cry for hours from 10 o'clock all the way till I would wash my face at home because I work, and I thought it was my eye problem, vision and dry eyes and all. It was actually Neutrogena. So I'm actually so happy that I found the sunblock that's forever going to be with me. Elta MD. This is not a paid promotion, but this is the sunscreen that I can live with for the rest of my life. No side effects, no crying. Even the feedback, even the reviews you see online will tell you no crying. So this is not what I use every day because I do not want my hyperpigmentation to worsen. Because I've been using sunblock and because I've been using my homemade papaya mask on my face. I think it's really the papaya that helped lessen my hyperpigmentation, and I'll keep using that. I know that the experts say that once you have hyperpigmentation, it's never gonna go away, and that's fine. I'm fine with that, but that's the regret I'm living with for the rest of my life. I have foundation because I've always used foundation anyway because I want my skin to be even, but at least my hyperpigmentation is no longer showing through my foundation. It used to actually show even with foundation. I'm using the same foundation. I've always been using CoverGirl for like 15 years now as a foundation, and now my hyperpigmentation is not showing because it has actually lightened. If you find this episode helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share and comment. Let me know if you've had hyperpigmentation, if you suffered from melasma on your skin. How did you lighten your skin? Because I think we have to admit, all of us want even skin tone. At least that was my skin until I had my hyperpigmentation. And also because we're getting older. As we age, you know, we develop spots, and I have always been saying I'm proud of my spots, I'm proud of my blemishes, until I realized I could have actually prevented my hyperpigmentation. So now I'm just glad I have this. And I know that my blemishes are not going to become worse because now I know how to take care of my skin. And I hope that you can learn from this experience of mine because I don't want you to have to go through the problem that I have right now. I've learned to live with it. You know, we learn. We learn from mistakes. We learn and move on, right? We can't cry over spilled milk, you know? We gotta just live and learn. I hope you'll follow me on my other platforms, TikTok at The Real D, Instagram at The Real D, and my new Facebook page, Building Your Self-Esteem on Social Media, because our goal is to take care of each other, and my goal is to help build your self-esteem. I hope to see you in my next videos, and I hope that you can subscribe to my channel because I really love to spread the message of empowerment, of self-love, and positivity because there's so many problems around us, so much negativity around us, so many temptations that can actually provoke us to throw off the handle or to feel bad, to sulk, to feel bad about ourselves. But we can always change our mindset. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the new year. I hope only the best happens to you this 2024 and onwards. Take care. Love yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.